Welcome to our workshops. Today, we Group 5 want to discuss about Strata Title Act in the cross-building law and legislation.
Hi, I'm Nursyafiqah.
Hi, I'm Fatihah.
Hi, my name is AnisNajwa.
Hello, what's up guys? My name is MuhammadHilmi bin Saleh and just call me Helmi Watson.
Strata Title is an act to facilitate the subdivision of building and land into parcels and the disposition of titles and for the purpose connect. So, here we can see Strata Title was the first introduced in 1966 in the Malaysian National Land Code 1965 to better cope with the legal ownership of multi-story buildings. Previously, it was known as subsidiary title by the reference to the buildings erected on alienated land. On the 1st of June 1985, Strata Title Act was formed as an extension of the NLC. This is timeline the history of Strata Title Act. We see the Sabah Subsidiary Title Enactment 1972, it shown between Act 56 in 1966 and Act 380 in 1985. Then it changed to Act A 7431 in Provisional Strata Title in 1990. Before 1996, Act A 951 in Qualified Title and had a Sarawak Strata Ordinance 1995. Based on this journey, have a change by 2001 until 2015. On Act A 1450, the amended Strata Title as a whole and with the fee enforced 1st June 2015. The new Section 8. Section 8 requires the landowner or developer to apply for the building subdivision within 3 months upon the completion of superstructure and expecting the registration of Strata Title before vacant possession. And non VP, the strata management cycle began as soon as possible. Only the developer submit ownership vacant possession to the buyer. Strata Title. Strata Title is a form of ownership device for a multi-level of multi-story building or block or multi-layer of land parcel erected on a piece of alienated land. The strata part of the term refers to the subdivided units being on different level or strata. So, why a strata title? It is to enable individual flats or office unit to be sold as conveniently as lots and land. The idea of a strata title is based on horizontal subdivision of a building or instead of normal vertical subdivision of land. Next, here is the use of strata title for. At first, you have the right of common facilities such as a gym, swimming pool, parking, gate and guard, lift and garden park. Besides that, you are entitled to the real estate, especially Strata Title Act 1985 Amendment 2007. For condominium or apartment can consider JMB, Joint Management Agency. The provision provides for any unit for a large building area or a land place that the unit has been sold. And the last one, this unit is required as a place, for example, household, apartment, and condominium.
What does Strata Title addresses? First, Strata Title Act was created to address issue of title and ownership of multi-story buildings in the country which were not properly or adequately dealt with by the subsidiary title section of the NLC, which is National Land Code. Second, advent of landed strata title properties anticipated but inadequately addressed by the amendment to Section 6(1) in 1996. Third, advent of gated communities and its associated requirements created a need to amend the Act to accommodate them. This was done in 2007.
Strata Schemes in Peninsular Malaysia. Basically, there are 3 strata schemes in Peninsular Malaysia. The first one is vertical development. It is defined as building that is capable subdivided into parcels. The land and buildings on it are divided into parcels and common property. Each parcel is an individual apartment for which a separate strata title is issued to the registered proprietor. It is also defined as building that has more than 2 stories high-rise building with more than one strata title issued for each building. Secondly, horizontal development, and it is defined as land that is capable of being subdivided into parcels. Notice that the difference between this vertical and horizontal development is subdivided building and subdivided land into parcels respectively. Other than that, horizontal development also means development of buildings of not more than 4 stories with individual strata titles issued on land parcels. Each landed strata title consists of strata title which covers the building. Last but not least, mixed development. Mixed development consists of high-rise buildings that are not more than 2 stories with more than one strata title issued for parcels within the buildings of not more than 4 stories with single strata title issued for each of the land parcel comprising a building. Basically, it is defined as combination of vertical and horizontal development. These are some of the examples for each schemes. For vertical development, apartments and other high-rise buildings. For horizontal development, any building that is not more than 4 stories such as terrace house, semi-D and bungalows. For mixed development, it consists of apartments, townhouses and landed strata.
It will continue with the first benefit is Compulsory Application of Strata Titles. This case is Amendment 2013 in Section X. Circumstances is which it is compulsory to apply for subdivision of a building or land. They have 2 divided sections is first is in bracket A parcel are sold and complication of superstructure in certified after commencement of 2013 Act. Second is in bracket B sale commons before and building is complete after commencement of Act 3 months from CCC. For the second benefit is accessory and frivolitional parcel cannot be disposed. Refer at this act in any parcel including any accessory parcel or any privational blocks for the office, the land administrator shall, if unable to secure its production, prepare and no rights in common property shall be disposed of by the proprietor. It is because any type of parcel must be saved and managed it. Third benefit is management cooperation. For the director may appoint managing agent to exercise or perform certain powers. It is to manage the agent to do exercise to be good perform in cooperation. Appointment of administrator for management cooperation. Under Section 64 of the Strata Title Act in 1985, the MC come into existence upon to the completion of the transfer of strata title in respect of all the parcels. The last benefit is fee quantum for the total share units. Total share unit for the parcel from the quantum of proportional share unit. Each unit for the parcel must be shared. Administrator for the management cooperation for a fee or indefinite period. Parcels will show the proposed quantum of provisional share units for each provisional block. Thank you for the attention. Hope we will in safe zone. Stay at home.